Scott here with Everyday Home Repairs, and I got a little bit more than a weekend project that we're dealing with. I got a small rental unit. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, about 610 square foot, and we're gonna go through and do quite a bit of updates to it. So I'll walk you through. We haven't touched it yet. We're gonna start the project here soon and give you a few of our ideas and that we'll be tackling over the next 4 to 6 weeks. Stepping into the property. Overall, it's pretty clean. It hasn't been updated for probably 7 to 8 years. You can see it's got a small kitchen and a huge fridge, way too big for this unit. It's got a stackable washer and dryer. We're gonna have to keep that in here. Probably box around it, probably put a little wall there and some bifold doors to kind of section it off. But a new flooring, so we're going to do vinyl plank. We'll take the tile out, and all new cabinets. Probably try to modernize a little bit, maybe go with like a white cabinet. And I need to redesign the kitchen, so I'm still not certain on what I want to do. Maybe do a little L there, maybe a pantry where the microwave is to give them a little more storage space. But we're really not certain on that. It does have a fan there, and this one has the same fan. That's remote control. If you have rental units, those remote control fans are just a pain in the butt. That's a very common call. So you can easily spend $100 or $200 just on a remote control going out or the receiver going out. So this is radiant heat. If we step back here, you'll see the radiant heaters, the radiators. We'll probably box those in to kind of cover them up. It also gives you a little place to set stuff. And then it has one through the wall air conditioner unit in the living room. There's always a little bit of an issue cooling off the bedrooms depending on how warm it is, but we are going to add a lot more insulation in the attic, so that might help out. Laminate floor in here. This is also, we're going to go vinyl plank all the way through the floor. Haven't selected the one yet that we're going to go with, but we'll keep you posted. Things like this little access door, who knows what that actually goes to. That's got to go. Although I am quite fond of this crazy wall paint, we will probably neutralize that a little bit. I like the contrast that you got going on here. So we'll go all the way through. Usually we use like a Sherwin-Williams softer tan, but we're gonna probably do something a little bit different, more modern, match the floor in the cabinets. So this is a furnished apartment, a 2-bedroom, student rental, so that's why you got the beds and the desks and the dressers. Again, continuing on with the wall color. I don't know if you guys can see this, but the wall actually has this insane texture to it that they really built out. I don't know if they had problems with the old plaster or something. This is their way of fixing it, but that needs to be addressed. Along with this stylish fiberboard. That's the access to the plumbing, to the shower on the other side. Obviously, that's got to be updated and cleaned up, and new drywall, and just really clean up everything. And the trim, a lot of trim needs to be. Years gone by, there was a small puppy that the tenants had, and kind of chewed on just about everything in this room. So we'll be updating a lot of that. Again, tile floor going out. Other bedrooms very similar, with one nice difference. Some people don't like popcorn on the ceiling, but what about popcorn on the ceiling and all the walls? Popcorn everywhere. It's got to go. So we got to get all that off, and we'll probably do a knockdown texture on the walls. Actually, this does have kind of a knockdown texture on it now, so we'll do something kind of similar to that. And then the bathroom, it's got a tile surround now. That's going to be coming out. It's got an old tub in it now. We'll be just putting a multi-piece surround in it. A small little vanity here. Probably can't get too much bigger than that, but we'll also be addressing any plumbing issues. So we'll make sure update all the valves, make sure the lines look good. There's no shoddy work, which can definitely happen in these student rentals over the years. And the old toilet slot there Not too much updates in here besides the surround. We'll do the vinyl plank flooring coming in here as well. Nice updated paint. You can see also on the ceiling, the paint definitely needs some help, a little moisture and cracking over time. So that's what we're dealing with here in this small 600 square foot apartment. So I'll be putting together update videos on this and kind of walking through as we go through the rehab. Again, I'm targeting about 4 to 6 weeks. Don't really have the budget locked down yet, but I'll kind of update that with you guys and let you know. I want to stay on that timeline. I'm going to do a little bit of the work myself, but I will have contractors in here helping me out, and we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned and we'll keep you posted.